Give me that chance.
The creation of flowers and other barricades of roads within the stages that we normally undertake our business. And that is the bottom contention, because you may come up in the morning and find that the stage that you used to do your business has already been blocked by the Nairobi city government.
We affirm and do hereby notify the county government that failure to stop the project and address our grievances, we will be downing our services and making Nairobi immobile through a month of all strikes after a lapse of 96 hours until our plights are addressed.
The entire project is happening along Tomboya, the entire Tomboya, from Koja all the way to Arisarasi. It's happening in River Road, Gatema Road, Accra Road. That is where exactly this project has already started. And if you can witness, the entire place that is affected is where most of the matatu operators operate from.